Gyrfa yn y Weddilian ac dwi'n dysgu weithio am nyrs ysgol. I definitely wasn't confident using Welsh from the start. Before I did my nurse training when I was 23, I haven't spoke Welsh since I left high school. Helo, ti'n iawn? Sut ti'n dod efo fi?
Diolch.
Yn Conwy, llawer o bobl yn iaith cyntaf Gymraeg, so mae'n bwysig iawn i bobl i gael gofal yn iaith cyntaf. Dwi'n gwybod bod y Gymraeg fi ddim yn perffaith ac pobl ddim yn poeni efo hwn achos pobl yn gwybod dwi'n trio. Dim mae peth yn mynd yn adref.
Di'r ferch ddim yn cysgu da iawn.
Dim peth fizzy,
No.
dim caffeine.
No.
There was one instance where I was looking after a young girl that was really nervous and I introduced myself and I heard her start whispering to him in Welsh and straight away I said to her, "Wyt ti eisiau fi'n trio'n siarad efo chdi yn Gymraeg?" And the smile on her face was amazing. Dipyn bach o Gymraeg fel, ti'n teimlo'n iawn, wyt ti eisiau ffisig, wyt ti eisiau diod, dipyn bach fel hyn yn helpu llawer. Professionally, people are scared to fail, which is really natural. I feel that myself. Being able to speak to them in a language that they know and they want to speak in is a massive help.